So right now we are entering a super bullish time for Bitcoin and crypto. And the first thing I want to show you is this. Here you can see the gold price, and the gold price reached $2,500 per ounce for the first time in history. This means that gold is at its all-time high. Here is a stock market chart, and again, stock market is at its all-time high. And why Bitcoin is not at its all-time high is because the stock market and the crypto market is not correlated as many people think. And the second thing why Bitcoin and crypto has a big pushback right now is because we had the ETF, the Bitcoin ETF came out in 2024. That's why we had that fake pump to 73,000. That's why we are not so bullish right now comparing to gold and stock market. And the second thing is that we are still in a summer months in August, and many countries in Europe have really high record temperatures, and that's why people are still taking vacations, enjoying the beach, and they are not interested in the crypto. That's why the retail is not here yet. But me personally, I'm starting to load up on many crypto projects, especially on AI, gaming, and RWAs. And the reason why I'm doing that is because institutions are still buying Bitcoin ETFs. The banks are buying Bitcoin, and that's because smart institutions and smart people understand the markets and they understand the 4-year cycle. And that's why they are taking advantage of this last month, because in September, October, we will see a significant pumps in Bitcoin and the whole crypto space. That's why I'm loading up on crypto. I'm personally using Bybit Exchange. If you want to join Bybit, link is in my bio. Also, you will get a bonus if you sign up with my link. My link is in my description. Another bullish fact is that NFTs seems to be coming back. Here you can see that the Google Trends chart. You can see how high this has come, and you can also see this in the NFT charts, in the trading volume. Everything is going up, and hopefully it will keep going up because we are far away from the all-time highs. But overall, I'm getting really bullish on crypto. That's why I'm buying so many crypto right now, because I think this is the last month that you can get everything cheap. And again, nothing in this video is a financial advice, but if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press that all notifications button so you don't miss on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha that I will post every day. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.